This video is brought to you by Maniobra Car Air Fresheners.
Spin WRX. It's a dream car.
So guys, hello! Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Bud TV. Nandito tayo sa bahay kung saan gabi na, and naisip ko na mag-edit na ng video para sa inyo. Yun nga lang, naisip ko nung nag-edit ako wala pala akong intro na nagawa. So gagawin ko tong intro na ito para malaman nyo kung ano yung nilalaman ng video natin for today. So ngayon maraming nangyari after nung mga nakarang araw simula nung nakarating kami dito sa California. And marami akong mga pwedeng ikwento sa inyo, but of course, syempre car related yung mga gagawin natin dito, and samahan nyo ako ngayon na ikwento sa inyo yung mga nangyari nung mga nakaraang linggo, dahil of course nagsisimula kami dito sa aming buhay dito sa California. So we have to start with something. Alright, so before we proceed, huwag niyo kakalimutan to give this video a thumbs up, mag-comment down below kayo for any questions, comments, or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe dito sa ating channel, Bud TV, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And also, don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. Okay? So ano nga ba yung ating video for today? Nakakuha na kami ng sasakyan. And kung ano yung sasakyan na yun, let's go! Ikikwento ko sa inyo ang naging storya why we landed on this vehicle. Tara! And so after careful planning, nakapag-decide ako at nakapag-decide kami na importante yung value ng sasakyan tsaka yung space niya para magamit namin on a daily basis. Remember, this is our first vehicle ulit, kaya naisip ko na pumunta muna sa Honda. Ngayon, based on dun sa budget na meron tayo at dun sa working budget talaga na pwede yung sasakyan, naisip ko na maging practical lang muna. So dahil Honda lover tayo, I decided to look out for the cars that would go or papasok dun sa ating budget. So una kong tinignan is yung Honda Civic. Kung nakikita nyo, ito na yung 2022 Honda Civic na 4-door sedan. Lumabas na siya dito sa United States, pero meron pa ring mga older models such as itong Honda Civic na FK7 na isa talaga sa mga options na gusto kong kunin. At since kailangan ko siya sa daily driver, kailangan kahit papano nimble siya, and then malakas at maganda rin at the same time. But I also considered na tignan din tong Honda CR-V na to. Kung titignan nyo, meron siyang trail package, lifted na ng kanyang suspension, and upgraded yung kanyang wheels and tires. Ang ganda nito kasi bumagay na bagay talaga sa kanya yung kanyang setup. And since yun nga lang, medyo hindi siya pumapasok dun sa initial budget na inilaan natin in buying a car, I decided to initially put my efforts dito sa Civic hatchback natin. So kung nakikita nyo, ang ganda, di ba? Pero of course, medyo nagkaroon tayo ng problema dun sa acquisition ng Honda Civic. We had to decide and look for another car. And that is yung sa Subaru. So ito, nandito tayo. So isa siya sa mga considerations natin, yung Subaru Forester na 2021. But ito, napukaw ako dito sa 2022 Subaru Outback.
Yeah, you gonna take a video of your new car?
Yes, sir. I'm actually operating a small YouTube channel.
Nice.
And it deals with all cars.
That's the trend nowadays.
That's the
right?
trend
That's how
nowadays.
You make that money, right?
Exactly.
TikTok too. Just do TikTok too.
Yeah, I just started TikTok.
I do. I watch TikTok. I'm addicted to TikTok.
You are?
TikTok is better than TV sometimes. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, something that you don't see on TV happens real life.
Food. Oh my god. So it's just like education. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay guys, hindi ako nagsasalita kasi gusto kong namnamin yung sasakyan. And depende sa negotiations. I hope we can bring this home para meron na kaming gamitin. So this is again a 2022 Subaru Outback. Premium trim. With a package with a package 13 on it. Ito naman yung 2021 na Subaru Forester. So initially ito yung option namin because of the price and the budget na pwede naming bitawan sa pagbili ng sasakyan. Naka-boxer engine na rin siya, as you can see. Okay na rin siya. Kaso we were talking about yung bagong release ng 2022 sa 2021, which is medyo nagkaroon ng konting facelift. So we decided to forego with that plan and move to a higher level ng sasakyan, which is the Outback nga. Outback kasi is a better car for me, which is ito. Ito yung medyo sport trim nila yung Outback na yan. So, mas maganda siya kasi unang-una, mas malaki siya. Right? And then, komportable yung cabin space niya kasi hindi siya katulad nito na cramped. Ang mga tinitignan ko kasi initially sa mga sasakyan is if I can comfortably drive the vehicle without risking my my posture, my driving posture. So by choosing the Outback, maluwag siya and I wouldn't have any problems in driving the car. Plus having enough space is much better. Checking on the lot, merong WRX dito. Mukhang naka TE37 pa siya. Ganda. Katabi niya yung GT na Mustang. Isa pang maganda. And then meron tayong Tesla. Oh guys, yan Tesla. Yan, ikot-ikot lang tayo sa lote para makita nyo. Katabi niya yung GT86. Katabi niya yung E-Class na Benz. And the rest, Subarus, Imprezas, Ascent, Outbacks, meron dun STI. Check natin yung STI. Pupunta ka lang sa dealership dito, marami ka na makikitang magagandang kotse. Another Tesla, meron kang 4 na Audi, STI baby. Katabi nung BRZ. Grabe. Gusto ko rin ng BRZ or GT86 pero wala walang pera tayo mga boss. Kaya gantingin na lang muna tayo and isip tayo muna, ipon. And then hopefully makakuha tayo ng gusto nating sasakyan sometime in the future. But for now, hopefully pagka we fall with better side of the deal, makukuha natin to. And I'll be giving you a review nitong 2022 Subaru Outback. Ito pala yung gamit namin na sasakyan. It's a 2001 model or 2000 model Mitsubishi Montero. Ito yung equivalent ng Fieldmaster natin dyan sa Pilipinas. This is a very sturdy car. Kita mo hanggang ngayon, buhay na buhay. And gagawa natin yan ng video sometime in the future. So, abang-abang lang kayo. Okay, so we decided to get the Outback. Medyo matagal yung proseso, pero it's all worth it naman. And I think it would do good on us for the long haul. And magagamit namin siya dito sa California. So abangan nyo yung review natin, and I'm gonna do that within the next few days, okay? So guys, we were able to get the car now. Ayun nga yung Outback nga na 2022 yung kinuha namin. And sa tingin namin, it's a good buy kasi we wouldn't worry about changing cars in the future kasi ito na rin talaga yung naisip namin. And of course, it's a Subaru. So I'm here with Brian, and he's our sales manager. He was the one who took care of us in getting this car. So Brian, if you want to do a shout out for the dealership and also for our subscribers here in Bud TV, you want to let them know what is your number and how they can reach you out if they want to buy a Subaru car.
All right. Yes. My name is Brian Nguyen. My number is 408-784-9042. I work at Fremont Subaru, and I would love to help you.
All right, so thank you again, Brian, for helping us out. Hopefully in the future, when I get my probably a BRZ, a WRX or STI,
Yeah.
Brian can hook us up, okay?
Yes.
All right, so again, thank you sa inyo. Watch this video, and of course, bibigyan ko kayo ng quick review nitong car na to, ng 2022 Outback sometime in the future. I just have to make sure that I get all the features well taken care of before I get starting with a video. And I hope you like this, and if you do, just give this video a thumbs up. You can comment down below for any questions, comments, or suggestions that you might have, and don't forget to subscribe to Bud TV if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Tapos, don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified in our future videos para updated kayo lagi for videos dito sa ating channel. So again, mula dito sa Fremont of Subaru Fremont,
Premier Subaru of Fremont.
Yeah, Premier Subaru Fremont. This is Bud TV saying adios. See you on the next episode. Bye, Brian.
Bye.